Madam President. It is a long debated issue whether Member States should sell citizenship and residence permit or not. States have, of course, full sovereignty to decide to whom and how to grant their respective nationality, but of course it is EU nationality. However, recent global developments put this question into another perspective. The serious risk represented by terrorists, the worrying scale of tax evasion and the refugee crisis force us to revise the issue. Economic citizenship programmes run by Member States are just like harmful tax competition. Conditions vary greatly, however, they all lack transparency, therefore represent a breeding ground for fraud, corruption and even terrorism. Some countries are often openly offering rich individuals and companies the opportunity for tax planning, assisting this way to tax evasion or even to potential money laundering by terrorist organisations on EU territory. The fact that these schemes make it so easy for the rich to gain rights within the EU while others literally risk their lives to get here also sends a wrong message. Therefore the question arises, do we want to support tax evasion, make things easy for terrorists and maintain unequal treatment of migrants based on their financial background, or finally create a common system with strict rules and monitoring to prevent all this? Thank you.